Hey everyone, today I got a random error on my Canon camera while trying to shoot. Said an error prevented shooting. Turn the camera off and on again or reinstall the battery. Now if you've been using a camera for a while, this might be something you've seen before, and honestly it's pretty easy to fix. I think most people can solve it without even watching a tutorial. But if you just bought a new camera and suddenly see this error, it can be frustrating and make you worry something is wrong. Don't worry. It's just a small software glitch, not a serious problem. This usually happens due to things like a quick memory or processing error, the camera not reading the battery properly, or a small communication issue between the camera and lens or SD card. So here's the quick fix that worked for me. I turned the camera off, then I opened the battery door. I gently pressed the battery release clip, not fully removing the battery, just loosening it a little. Closed the door and turned the camera back on. And just like that, the error disappeared and the camera was back to normal. So yeah, if you're seeing Canon error 7D, don't stress out. It's a common thing and very easy to solve. I'm making this video just to let people know it's okay and you don't need to panic. A small glitch like this doesn't mean your camera is broken. If this video helped you out, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more simple camera tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.